Dad, we gotta go on vacation and do this. Where the water's blue.
Just watch the ferry when we leave, okay? When you leave, watch the ferry.
Woo! One hell of a ride. This is nuts. Kept going off course in the beginning. I'm staying behind the instructor this time. Alright, ready to go? Ready to go. I've been looking forward to this for years. It's gonna be a good day. Maybe the 11 o'clock one. Gotta go to the Statue of Liberty, Brooklyn Bridge, Manhattan Bridge. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you, Dad, for this. I'm looking forward to this for a really long time. I'm ecstatic right now. Alright, let's do it. How fast do these things clock out at?
That one right there, that's like an 80 mile per hour.
Yeah.
This one right here does about 50. You got everything? Yeah, I got everything.
Yep. Right? 50 feet.
You want to go in front of me?
Yeah, whatever. Oh. What? I was rocky.
Hard.
Right? It's like hard to go straight.
Yeah, you gotta go fast to go straight.
Yeah.
I sit up.
Yeah. I see what he means by stay in the bubbles.
We got a couple minutes, take it in, you know, and then we heading over by the Brooklyn Bridge.
Ah, this was nuts.
All right, everybody, follow me.
Hip hop.
Crazy. Freaking dad hit me. I was bugged out. It was alright though, I barely felt it. The instructor totally flipped out. Yeah, but we're here. Awesome ride. Awesome ride. Let's see if I can do this whole time. not a two-seater thing. I don't know how these people are doing it with two people. That's crazy. Yo, watch me go under it right now. Oh. We're like the skateboarders of the ocean. My man. Woo! Yo, if you don't stay in the bubbles, you're done. It's scary in the beginning, but it gets easier as you do it. Would I do it again? Absolutely. I want to go from 0 to 50, man. Look at the noobs over there. Posers. Woo! Come on, man. Go fast. Want to get some hang time, man. Yo, can you imagine going over a ramp with this? Only 40 miles per hour off a ramp? Uh-oh. Woo! 70. Saw that? I think miles per hour are a little less than kilometers. So if this is 70, I was probably going like 60 or something. I don't know. Here we go. Crazy. That was bugged out. How many times a day you do this?
Huh?
How many times a day you do this?
Sometimes 6 or 7.
7?
Yes. I'm letting them switch. You guys ready?
The noobs are gonna switch. Just going in circles over here. Merry-go-round. This is so crazy. 70 kilometers over here. About to go see the man with the plan. Woo! I went 70. I hit 70. Twice. Woo! Like Ric Flair over here. This guy told me to look over our shoulders. I'm not turning around in the middle of the ocean. I'll go 70 though. Woohoo! This water's freezing. Oh. Yo, it's really true. Hitting this water so hard. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Woohoo! Back at it again. It's not over till it's over. What? I'll chase down the criminal. Woo! the trick is to stand up a little as you're going fast. I understand.